This 2024 Shasta 18FQ is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Shasta is 23 feet 1 inch in length and features sleeps 4, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, external shower, awning, oven, smoke detector, skylight, leveling jacks, microwave, refrigerator, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath, 2 entry/exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Shasta 18FQ is 3,489 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.